In a world that never stops talking, where noise is everywhere and peace is rare, do you ever feel like your mind is a storm that won't settle? We search for healing in everything. But what if the cure was always within reach? Today, we explore how Islam provides a sanctuary for your mind.
The Quran tells us, "Verily, in the remembrance of Allah do hearts find rest." 13:28. This isn't just a verse, it's a spiritual formula. Modern science calls it mindfulness, but Islam called it Dhikr 1400 years ago. When you connect with your Creator, the chaos of the world begins to fade. Healing starts with two pillars: Sabr, patience, and Tawakkul, trust. Sabr isn't just waiting, it's staying beautiful during the wait. And Tawakkul is knowing that the one who created the stars has a plan for your heart. When you let go of what you can't control, you find true freedom.
Your mind is a gift, and its peace is a priority. Start your journey today with a single prayer, a moment of gratitude. If this touched your heart, subscribe to Little Effort for Deen and share this with someone who needs peace today.